Hello, everybody. My name is Jackson Wingler. Today, I'm going to bring you another really cool tool called Workflows Filing Agent. So, this is going to be inside the account cleanup beta. Now, this already by itself is an amazing beta. It will show you what things are not configured, what kind of things are not really working right. It'll show you all your standard objects, and if you wanted to set that up so you can automatically clean and get rid of unused things. Incredibly helpful. What we're going to be talking about today, though, is this brand new beta, Workflows Filing Agent. So, if you have any workflows that aren't really organized into folders, or you need some suggested groupings for them, you can go ahead and go right here. And of course, after it loads for forever, here we are. You can go ahead and see we have 29 unfiled workflows, and they're grouped into about 8 suggested folders right here. So if you wanted to go ahead and select that, you could go ahead and do it. And all of these test workflows will be able to go ahead and just be moved right into those folders you created. Simple, easy, and to the point. But thank you for watching. My name is Jackson Wingler. Have a great day.